So yeah, YouTube. Yo, what's up? That's ISO, but it's not gonna look. It's not gonna look the same today because today is casualty day. My bad. I ain't tell you that in my other videos, but anyway, let's just get started. It's kind of fancy / casual. Anyway, I got on a Nautica shirt. Says it right there, and on the back. I don't know if you can see that, but oh yeah, y'all can see that. So, I got on the same watch. Oh, I fold this shirt up. Hold on a second. I gotta move this because I'm trying to show y'all my shoes too. I'm in my kitchen, so I'm in the kitchen, so it might look different from where I always be. I got on some Timberland. I got on some Timberland loafers. I'm gonna take this off and show y'all that. Timberland sign right there. Might look a little dirty, but anyway. Oh, it has a Timberland sign right there. So, and on the inside. I got on some. Hold up. Sorry, I'm just putting my roof back on. I have on the same Superman belt from the first video of this, right there. Some 7 Oaks pants. The sun is right there, and I'm just gonna show you what it looks like from the front and back. I'm not even sure if y'all gonna see the full thing, but okay, I'm just walking into my bathroom and stuff. So don't comment asking me why I keep changing place. Looks like this from the back. Oh my bad, that was my smoke detector. It needs some more batteries. So don't worry about that. But I keep changing it so y'all can see the front and the back and what it looks like from each distance. So here's the front. So comment about things that you like about the video. Like the video and subscribe. Like I said, this is casualty, so that's why I might look so different today, because it's a casual day. Like this episode is about casualty. Oh, by the way, this is number 5. So keep that in mind, because I'm gonna be getting some more stuff.